Hello everyone, welcome to another day. We are here on March 5th and we are going to do 4 new words: plate, overseasoned, sear, and simmer. So all of these words are cooking related. It's our second time doing words of the day related to cooking. Please remember, practice these words throughout the day. It's very important. It's going to help you to remember them and to improve your vocabulary. And if you're on Instagram, head to YouTube to see the full video. Getting started, plate. This is a verb that means move food onto a plate. Our example, look, you've got to hurry up and plate the food so that we can serve all the diners. Go ahead and repeat it. This is a word you would hear on any cooking show. I can imagine Gordon Ramsay yelling that last sentence. Overseasoned. Add too much seasoning. This sauce is overseasoned. Too much garlic, too much salt. Your turn to say it. Yeah, I made this mistake yesterday. I put too much. Actually, the lid fell off of the salt. It was terrible. Sear. Burn the outside quickly. Many chefs sear meat as a way to lock in the flavor. Your turn. Since I'm a vegetarian, I don't sear things much, but I'm guessing there's probably things I could sear too. I don't really know. Simmer. Cook on low heat. Now that the potatoes are soft, toss them in a pan and allow them to simmer. All right, everyone. Thank you very much for joining me. That completes our words for today. As I said before, if you're on Instagram, head to YouTube to see the full video. If you are on YouTube, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.